In this video, I'll walk you through how to replace the sensor cable on a BMW R1100GS. Firstly, I'll talk about how I noticed something was off and how to diagnose the issue, replacing the old broken sensor cable with a new one, and lastly testing the final fix with a dry run. So what happened when driving was that the bars on the temperature indicator of the RID would steadily get up to 3, start blinking, and all disappeared. 3 bars was the max, so not even halfway the display. My first guess would be a short circuit in the cable. So you need the fault code. I got it with a simple homemade diagnosis tool plugged into the bike's socket. Let's count. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that's 1, 2, 2, 3. In the fault code table of the 1100 motronic, this is the coolant temperature sensor. And next up, isolate the part and test it. We unscrewed and wiggled out the cable, held it into a cup of warm water and waited for a bit. Soon after, the first bar started blinking, which is not the desired behavior, and nothing else happened. So my conclusion, it's broken. So I ordered a new one online, this Porsche one, which is compatible with the 1100GS. Make sure to do a visual inspection, they look similar. Time for an isolated test run. So I plugged it back into its socket, held the sensor part into some warm water, and it looks promising. So I mounted the new temperature sensor cable onto the engine block and put the petrol tank back on the motorbike, and it was good to go. As you saw, it was a quick fix with the sensor. So good luck with your project. See you in the next video.